Hello everyone, and welcome back for my day 53 of the 90-day challenge. Today, something a little bit different, and I want to share with you a book that's been truly transformative for me. It's Eckhart Tolle's The Power of Now. Let's be honest, this challenge had its moment between pushing myself to create content, connect with all of you, and tackle any new goals I have for my business. My mind can get pretty noisy sometimes. And here's where this book, The Power of Now, comes in. This book has taught me the power of living in the present moment. It's all about separating your being, your true self, from the constant mental chatter that your brain, your mind, your thinking. By observing your thoughts without judging them, without trying to stop them, but just observing them, detaching from trying to control them, you'll access inner peace. This book also emphasizes the importance of being present. Most of our worries are from either living in the past or fearing the future, so try to be in the present. The book also helped me focus on the one thing that I can control, that we all can control, the thoughts and action in this very moment. And by embracing this present moment, I've experienced a deeper sense of peace, as I was saying. It allowed me to approach challenges with more focus and clarity, and not be afraid of what will happen if, right? It's not about the future, it's not about what will happen if. It's this moment, what I want to do right now. What about you? Do you struggle with a chatty mind, a busy mind? Have you ever tried mindfulness practices? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you are curious to learn more about the power of now, I highly recommend checking it out. It may just be that transformative book that you've been searching for. Let me know. Bye.